Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply fix your HP OfficeJet missing or failed printhead error. So the easiest way to do this is to simply update the drivers of your HP OfficeJet. So you then want to simply search for the HP OfficeJet drivers on your browser. And from here, you then want to simply click on the official webpage of HP and then just download the drivers in order to make sure that it eliminates bugs and glitches on the printer right here. Now, right after, we want to reset the printer just to make sure that everything is clear. You want to turn the printer on, unplug the power cord from the rear of the printer and disconnect it from the wall outlet. From there, you then want to wait for at least 60 seconds just to make sure that the electricity is drained out of the printer, and then reconnect the power cord and turn it back on. And simply from there, you then want to reset the printhead because a loose connection can basically trigger this error. Fully removing and reinstalling the printhead usually resolves the problem. So once again, turn off the printer and open the ink cartridge access door. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer so that the cartridge doesn't move while your hands are inside. You then want to lift the hatch on the right side of the cartridge and gently lift out the printhead. Carefully wipe the copper-colored electrical contacts on the back of the printhead just to make sure that it has a clean connection between your printer and the printhead itself. And then you want to basically clean it with a lint-free cloth, lightly dampened with distilled water. Let it dry for a few minutes and then reinstall the printhead back in. Gently wiggle it left and right, ensure that it is locked in place. And of course, you then want to lower down the carriage latch. Another thing that you could do is to basically clean the printhead once again. And overall, that's going to be it. Our problem is generally related to the actual printhead, so cleaning the connection between your printer and printhead will solve the problem. But of course, before you do that, make sure that it doesn't have any bugs and glitches. That's why I recommended to update the drivers first and reset the printer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.